What's up, everyone? I was gifted this toy blaster to review, so I'm going to open it up and check it out. Here we go. Alright, so here is the toy blaster. Comes in a couple pieces here, so we need to put it together. Got that one. So we got looks like a scope. Got some shells. Another part of it. Another part. Here's another part of it. Here are the bullets. Here are the foam darts. Comes with instructions. Another part of it. This looks like a bipod. Here are the magazines, 2 of them. And that's everything in the box. So we're going to go over the assembly of this blaster. First thing we need to do is put this back straight. There we go. That was pretty easy. Now we need to add the barrel to the end of this, which is right here. And you're just going to put it like this, slide it on until it clicks in, just like that. You can adjust the stock up here by just turning these dials here. And then put it where you want it, and then you can tighten it. And then it's locked in place. Next, we're going to attach the scope. And what you need to do is first just make sure the screws are loosened. Attach the scope to your desired location. I'm just going to put it about right there for now. You can always adjust it later. Then you're going to turn these screws until it is tight. Just like that. Bipod gets connected at the bottom here. Same with this, just like the scope. You're going to loosen the screw right here. Just slide it on here and then tighten it down. There we go. It does have an adjustable buttstock back here as well. You just press this button in and then you can pull it out and push it in. All right, so next is putting the darts into the shells, and you put them inside just like that. These will go in these magazines just like that. Magazine goes in the bottom here just like that. This is a magazine release right here. Push it forward, and then there is a safety switch right here, so that turns it on and off. That's on, that's off. So like that. So I'm going to shoot, flip it, now it's going to work. You can use the scope, just make sure they're open, and you can look through the scope to aim. There you go. And you can see when you pull it, the shell will actually come out. When you push the bolt forward, you can see it locking into place, another one. Then you shoot, pull it, and you watch this shell come out. Another one. It also comes with this barrel attachment, so you can attach this if you want. Just give it kind of a cooler look. It also comes with this magazine loader, and let me show you how that works. So you get the magazine, you put it in the side, just like that. You're going to pull this out, open this up, load all your shells in. All right. And then you got to put the foamies in. Pull this up, and then you're just going to put each one in here like this. Now you secure the cover. Push these down, and they're all going to go inside the shells. And then you push this to load the magazine. And then you push this down to release the magazine. 4 in each one. Put the next one in. Push it again. Push this down to release. And you are ready to go. To use the bipod, just pull this down and you can have it stand up like this. This is a really cool toy. I was really impressed on how they made this. I love the design where you can pull the bolt and the shell pops out the side. It makes it more realistic feeling. I love the ammo shell dart loader. This is really cool. It makes it easier to load your darts up. If you're looking for a really cool toy gun for a gift or for yourself, this is one you should definitely check out.